Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. All of these very beautiful, creative, and amazing embroidery designs are specifically designed for everyday, comfortable, breathable, lightwear, or even you can use them for formal purposes like going to school, colleges, offices, or any type of market or grocery visit or any type of other activities. So different type of stylized patterns ranging from different colors of kurtis have been used. Now, the basic concern about these patterns is that which type of embroidery thread can be used for making these patterns. So, if you want to give a more thick and 3D pattern look, then I would recommend you to use a embroidery wool for making these patterns. If you want to give the look a mediocre signs, like not more thin, not more sleek, then you can make use of staple anchor or DMC as an embroidery thread. And if you want a plain, shiny, formal look, then I would recommend you to use silky threads. Okay, so now our next concern that uh, which type of fabric would be used to make these embroidery patterns. As you know that summer is coming and it would be in its full swing, then I would recommend you to use organic linen, cotton, corduroy, or any type, lawn, and any type of organic fabric like organic cotton kurtis or different type of organic linen or blended fabrics. So in order to give your whole embroidery pattern exactly the same look the which you are seeing into your screens right now, I would recommend you to exactly use the color combination of threads the same way which you are seeing. So guys, we try our best on daily basis to share amazing and creative ideas of hand embroidery with you. And if you really like them, don't forget to like. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And please leave comments in the comment section that which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Up till then, guys, take care, stay blessed. Hope to see you soon in my new and upcoming videos. We never copy someone else's designs. We just share ideas.